Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieved this look that was inspired by Cardi B, make sure you stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so to achieve this style, you're going to need some got2b gel or any type of gel, rubber bands, and some clips. So yeah, you guys, so first thing first, I'm just going to detangle my hair, and then you guys, I am going to part my hair along the side. And basically it's going to be like a side part for my front swoop or bang or whatever, however y'all want to call it. So yeah, so I'm doing a side part, and I am just parting out a small section again for my swoop. And once I part this section out, I am just going to pin it away. Okay guys, now we're going to part our hair along the ear. So we're going to part our hair from ear to ear, and this part is going to create our little donut ponytails. Okay guys, so now we're just going to make little small section parts, and with these parts here, we're going to put a rubber band on these sections to make little, I guess they're called bantu knots. And we're going to put a few of those little bantu knots in the front. And again guys, this style is mimicking Cardi B style that she wore on the red carpet, I think, for one of the movies that she made. Okay guys, so now that we're done putting all the rubber bands in, now we're going to take the ends of the hair and we're going to twist them all the way down to the end. And once we're done twisting them, we're just going to twist it around in a knot. So that's why I kind of said it was kind of like a bantu knot. And we're just going to twist them all the way until you can't twist them anymore. And we're going to pretty much repeat this step with all the other rubber bands. Hey guys, please support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with the bantu knots, now we're going to take down the front section and I am going to flat iron it because we need this section nice and flat iron and nice and sleek for my bang slash swoop. Yeah. Okay guys, so now I am positioning my swoop where I want it to be. In order for me to keep my swoop where I want it to be, I am going to be using some clips to help guide me, and also I'm going to be using the Got to Be free sprays. God, I can't even talk, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that to help kind of keep my swoop where I need it to be. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with my swoop or my bang, whatever you guys call it, now I'm going to deal with the back. So with the back, I am going to flat iron it just a little bit because I don't want it completely flat iron, because I kind of want a little bit of the poofy look. I kind of want it to be like big in the back. So I'm not going to flat iron it too straight. I'm just going to flat iron it enough just to get the waves out of it, and then once I do that, then I'm gonna begin to flip the hair. Hey guys, make sure that you go over to Instagram and follow me at mskeedybaby. I am very active on my Instagram page, so make sure you head over to Instagram and follow me again at mskeedybaby. Okay guys, now I am done with flipping my hair, and you guys, I tell you, it was getting hot in there. My flips was falling. I wish that I would have used like some clip-ins in the back to help with that, because when I start sweating, it's all over for me. But yeah, anyway, you guys, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you thought of this style that was inspired by Cardi B. So let me know what you think about this style down in the comments section. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.